Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Wok with Tak. This is my wok recommendation video for 2020. As long as I have people asking me about what wok I would recommend them to buy, I will keep doing them. I really come to like woks over the years. In fact, I love them now. I have 10 different woks in my kitchen and I use them regularly on a rotational basis. I have made a video about these 10 woks. If you are interested, please take a look. At the end of this video, I will give you 4 recommendations. First, let me list the criteria that I use for evaluating them. Number 1, wok surface. How often do you plan to use it? I think that is the important determining factor. If you plan to use your wok more than 3 or 4 times a week, then I definitely will recommend you to get a wok with natural surface. This type of woks require more maintenance, but it is more fun and it lasts much longer. However, if you are going to use the wok once a week or once a month, then you might want to consider a wok with non-stick coating. Number 2, cooked surfaces. Now, if you have a gas stove, you can actually use any wok, carbon steel, cast iron, light cast iron, or stainless steel. If you cook on a glass-top electric stove or an induction stove, you should probably choose a wok, either a light cast iron or stainless steel. Please see my video on using a wok on a glass-top electric range for further information. Number 3, size of the wok. If you're going to cook for somewhere between 2 to 6 people, then I would recommend you to get a 14-inch wok. I would recommend you to get a 16-inch wok if you cook for a family of 8. However, if you're just cooking for yourself, you might want to consider a 12-inch wok. Please see my video on selecting the size of a wok. Number 4, handles of the wok. If you ever consider to use a wok in an oven, make sure you get a wok with stainless steel handle or a cast iron wok. You're most likely to move your wok around quite a bit when you cook, so I would make sure you get a wok with an insulated handle. Number 5, weight of the wok. The average wok on the market is between 3 to 4 pounds. Any wok that is over 4 pounds might be too heavy, particularly when there are food in it. Carbon steels are the lightest wok, whereas cast iron is the heaviest and they weigh in at about 10 pounds. Number 6, wok cover. Most woks do not come with a cover, but the cover of a large skillet can often do double duty. Number 7, seasoning the wok. If you choose a wok with a natural surface, you want to make sure it is readily seasoned. You can see my video on spot seasoning. The easiest woks to season are the cast iron woks, and the least is the stainless steel woks. Number 8, cleaning. Stainless steel wok are the easiest to clean, but however, using my cleaning method, please see my video, all woks are easy to clean. Number 9, price. Carbon steel woks are the cheapest, whereas the stainless steel wok are most expensive. Using these 9 criteria, I have the following recommendations. Number 1, most versatile. It is the Cuisine Art 14-inch stainless steel wok. It is most elegant, lightweight, and probably the least expensive of stainless steel wok out there at $44. It comes with a see-through cover and it has stainless steel handles, so it could be used in the oven. Number 2, best value. It is the Emusa 14-inch carbon steel wok. It is lightweight, durable. At $18, it is one of the least expensive wok out there. Number 3, best overall value. It is the Emusa 14-inch light cast iron wok. It is reasonably priced at $30. It is good for any cooked surface, and it has stainless steel handles so that it can be used in the oven. I have separate reviews on all these 3 woks. Best wok with non-stick coating. I recommend Ken Horn's 14-inch carbon steel wok with non-stick coating. It is about $26, which is a pretty good wok for that price. Well, I hope this information is useful to you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notification of my future video posting. See you next time.